Do you need help keeping up with your workload? Imagine completing 2 hours of work in just 2 minutes, thanks to the power of artificial intelligence. In this video, we'll introduce you to 5 game-changing AI tools that can finish hours of work in minutes.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Out complicated Excel formulas. Look no further than the Excelformulabot. This free AI-powered tool can translate text instructions into Excel or Google Sheets formulas in seconds. It also provides step-by-step instructions for creating charts, pivot tables, and more. It can also generate VBA code, regex, and SQL queries. With Excelformulabot, you become an Excel pro in no time, working smarter and faster than ever before. Coming up at number 4, we have Wand, another AI tool that can do all your data analytics work in minutes. From connecting to the database to deploying AI, Wand streamlines the entire process, making solving complex problems and creating value through AI solutions easy. With its collaborative, measurable, and scalable features, you can take data from multiple sources and connect them to pipelines in minutes. Wand's no-code or low-code approach enables you to build and scale end-to-end AI solutions efficiently. Last on our list is MagicSlides. It's a presentation app powered by AI that enables you to create beautiful slides in seconds. To start, install the MagicSlides add-on and connect OpenAI to MagicSlides. The app is user-friendly, making it easy for you to create professional-looking presentations without any difficulty. You need to provide a title, specify the number of slides you require, and optionally add some text. Then click Generate and you're done. No more writer's block when creating presentations. So there you have it, 5 game-changing AI tools that can finish hours of work in minutes. We've left all the links to these tools in the video description, so be sure to check them out and let us know which is your favorite in the comments. And if you want to see more awesome videos like this one, remember to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace.